Hi, very good morning. This is Neha. Welcome to the channel, and today we are going to start a new series. So in this series we are going to learn and practice pranayama as well as meditation. So far in different series and different videos of our channel we have learned and practiced asana for our physical fitness and health. But in this series we are going to get deeper into our practice little more. We are going to learn and unlearn how to breathe, how not to breathe, a bit of pranayama as well as meditation. So now who can practice this series? So these sessions can be done by anybody, kids, adults and elders. So anyone can practice. You don't need to have any prior experience in yoga or pranayama. We are going to start from the basic. We all know that mental health is important. We have heard about it, we have talked about it, but how do we get it? So it's very important that you continue your practice and be regular and have a consistency in your session. So now we are going to focus more on our mental health in this series, and I am going to promise you that if you continue with the consistency without taking a break, if you practice regularly with me, you can see a huge change in your state of mind. If you have stress and anxiety, if you have unstable mind, this series is for you. Now without further delay, let's get started. Now to start with, first thing, your sitting posture. If you are not able to sit on the ground, you can take a help of the chair or a bed. You can practice there only if you are not able to sit on the ground. If you are comfortable on the mat, be seated on the ground, either in Sukhasana or in Vajrasana. So make sure that you keep your spine in a straight line. So these are the very basic things you should remember while you practice. Second thing, what do you do with your hands? How do you keep your hands? You can keep your hands turned up towards the ceiling and have your both the hands in Chin Mudra. Either you do this or you interlock your both the fingers and keep it in between the thighs. Now third way of keeping your hands, you are going to keep your both the palm on top of each other and keep it in between the thighs. Now once you know what is the right posture, once you are sitting here, the next thing is to synchronize the speed of your mind and your body. So now you are sitting still, and at the same time you make sure that your mind is also in a straight way, in a same way aligned with your body. So for that you will have to make sure that you slow down your breath. Now once we start the session, make sure that you keep your eyes closed. No matter what, you're not going to open your eyes and you're going to follow as per the instructions. Okay. Now once you're comfortable, once your shoulders are relaxed, you're going to close your eyes. The moment you close your eyes, all you have to do is you have to take your focus on the breath and make sure that you're going to take a long breath in and a long breath out, or slow down the way you're breathing. The minute you focus on your breath, you can see that your breath is slowed down by itself. As you take a long breath in, long breath out, try and see the expansion of your chest and stomach. Have a gentle smile on your face. All you know right now is that you're breathing long and your chest and stomach is moving together. Slowing down your breath can really helpful to slow down your thoughts, your mind. One more time, inhale and exhale. Now slowly open your eyes. It was just a beginning to get your mind in a balance with your body. Now keep your hands on the thighs. Now we'll do a little bit of a movement for the neck and shoulder. Okay. Now exhale to the right, inhale to the left. A very mild movement so that you can feel much more relaxed during the practice. Now back and forward. Inhale very slowly. Look back and exhale, drop your neck down. Inhale back and exhale down. the last one, rotation to the right and left and right. Drop your neck down to the right, back, to the side and down. Inhale and exhale. One more. And exhale. Now the other side, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Just pay attention to what you feel right now. Now slowly lift your neck up. We'll do 1 or 2 movements for the shoulders as well. Slowly rotate your shoulders to the back and drop it down. Along with the breath, inhale and exhale. Very relaxed and very slow. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale and relax. Okay. So first we'll start with 5 deep breath in, breath out together. Okay. I'm choosing to keep my hands on top of each other. You're going to close your eyes, spine straight. Now try to drag a breath inside as much as you can. Inhale deep. Fill the air in the chest and the stomach. And exhale. Release. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Expand your chest. And exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Now just get back to normal breathing. Don't have to drag your breath long or short. Just keep your breath normal for some time. And just watch you breathing yourself. Now, as your eyes are closed, with the help of your right thumb, just close your right nostril and breathe out from the left side 5 times. Try to breathe in as much as possible and breathe out longer. Start. 1. And exhale. 2. Inhale. And exhale. 3. Inhale. And exhale. 4. Inhale. And exhale. 5. Inhale. And exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Release the hand. Now breathe in, breathe out normally and see. Just observe if you are breathing in and breathing out from both the sides. Now close your left nostril and breathe in and breathe out only from the right side. Kindly keep your eyes closed. Left nostril is closed. Inhale from the right. Deep inhale. Feel the air in the chest. And exhale out. Inhale. And exhale. Three. Inhale. And exhale. 4. Inhale. And exhale. 5th one. Inhale. And exhale. Release your hands. Now just focus on the quality of your breath right now. See, how are you breathing from both the nostrils? Even if some of you are breathing only from one nostril right now, that's absolutely fine. You just try and see how are you breathing right now. Kindly keep your mind a bit empty and focus only on the way you're breathing right now, and try to take a long breath in and breathe out. And exhale. Now 5 times we are going to breathe in, breathe out from only right side. From the left side, because we are going to close our right nostril. We are going to breathe in from the left side, hold our breath for 2 seconds and then release. Okay. Now from the thumb, close your right nostril. Inhale from the left side. Once you breathe in completely, hold your breath. 1, 2, exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. 1, 2, exhale. Only from the left nostril, don't leave your right nostril. 3rd one. Inhale. One, 2, exhale. Fourth one. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, exhale. Fifth one. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, exhale. Drop your hands down. Now just Observe the way you're breathing now again. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other side. You're going to close your left nostril. Inhale from the right inside. Hold your breath. 1, 2, exhale. Inhale. Hold 1, 2, exhale. Third one, inhale. Hold your breath. 1, 2, exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. 1, 2, exhale. Last one, inhale. Hold your breath. 1, 2, and exhale. Eyes closed. Drop your hand down on the thigh once again. Just observe the way you're breathing. If you have done this right, you should be able to see that you're breathing much more clearly from your both the nostrils. Just observe how peaceful and how clear your breath is right now. Take your attention to both the hands right now. Now slowly get your both the palm together in Namaskara Mudra. Slowly rub your both the palm. Make it warm and drop it on your eyes. Open your eyes and look into your palm. I'm sure you're feeling much peaceful, much relaxed. So today it was a day 1. So we are going to slowly progress and slightly improve the capacity of our breath with other different types of pranayamas as well. And we'll also try to add meditation. So meditation is not something that suddenly you start sitting, with eyes closed and start practicing and you're able to get the control over the mind. You'll have to prepare your mind. You have to prepare your breath for that. That is exactly what we are going to do in this series. So slowly we'll take one step ahead and we'll see how can we improvise the way our breathing, how to breathe right, and with the breathing, how can we really focus on our mind as well. So I'll see you tomorrow with the series day 2. Make sure that you complete this, and also if you think there is somebody who need this series, who need to start practicing, share it with them. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And yes, I would love to see what is your feedback on the first session, so drop a comment. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. I'm also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.